How to use PowerPoint Mobile to get a Rehearsal Coach report. Perfect your speech for free. Microsoft PowerPoint mobile app has a super cool feature. It is called Rehearsal Coach. It is a great way to get feedback on your speech and practice your speaking skills. Launch PowerPoint on mobile. Go to slide that you want to practice and click on present icon at top. Now tap on Rehearse with Coach option. Tap on play icon to record. Stop to stop recording. You can get instant feedback as you speak. Note that you will get feedback on filler words and sensitive phases. If you use bad language, it will catch and flag. You will also get feedback on pace and repetitive language. Notice pitch. You need to change your pitch and not sound monotonous. It will also give you feedback on words per minute. Enjoy future of speech coaching with Microsoft PowerPoint mobile app. Hashtags PowerPoint mobile, free speech feedback, coaching, pitch. How to use PowerPoint mobile to get a Rehearsal Coach report. Perfect your speech for free.